Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Living in Northern California, and today I'm going to take you on the tour of this beautiful model home in Morgan Knolls, which is the new community here in Roseville. So before I take you on this tour of this home, if you're new to our channel, make sure to give a little love to that subscribe button and click on the notification button so you can be the first to know about beautiful homes like this throughout Northern California. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. Hey guys, come on in. So we're gonna take a tour of this home today. This is the Plan 2622. As you can see, this is got a big open floor plan. There's your living room, you have your dining room, and then your kitchen. So just know that a lot of the model homes by KB Homes is going to have a lot of upgrades on them. You are gonna have the structural with the large island, and kind of the setup is this way as well, but these are all upgraded cabinets. We'll list the standards for you, but you do get stainless steel appliances, and obviously these are going to be the higher upgraded ones. And then you have your fridge here. So what I love about this one is you have this whole bar area here with tons of extra cabinet space. Definitely great place to entertain, but my favorite thing about this house is the huge backyard. So you have your outdoor kitchen here with some sitting area there, and then this covered patio. And check out the space over here. So one thing about this area is you're gonna get really large lots. They probably range between 7,000 to up to 9,000 square feet. All right, so before we go upstairs, let's check out this flex space right here. So right now it's used as an office. You can get it to where it's a bedroom, and then you can add a full bathroom down here as well. So it comes standard as this structure, but you can upgrade it to a bedroom bathroom. So let's go ahead and go upstairs. Okay, so as soon as you get upstairs, you have a huge loft right over here. And then in this section of the home, you have your laundry, bedrooms, and bathroom. And then you have your master suite. Oh, hey, how'd you like the house? What'd you think? Well, I do love this model home. And if you're interested in this model home or any new homes here in Northern California, make sure to get connected with a realtor before you visit these communities, because if you go to the communities without a realtor, they may not let you bring your realtor to help represent you through the process, and that is super important to have one. And if you're thinking about, well, Rose, what's the price of this model home or the lots in this area? Prices and incentives change on a monthly cadence, so we want to make sure that you have the right information. We'll put a link in the description below with the updated prices that we update every couple weeks. So make sure to click on that link in the description below. And again, if you're new to our channel, make sure to go ahead and give a little love to that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye.